Hi everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is happy and in good health. I'm here to share another Christmas journal, and I call this the Merry Christmas Journal. The cover is from a cereal box and a beautiful Christmas fabric. It has 3 signatures, and I added this beautiful lace and some stickers, some buttons. The pages are embellished, but the journal can still expand. The size is 7 3/4 by 6 inches. There's this beautiful sticker on the back. And the closure is a beautiful ribbon. So the Merry Christmas is from a card. And so let's take a look inside. I use a red tablecloth for the inside cover so it is soft, but I stitch around it so it is sturdy and secure. And then this is a glassine bag, and inside is a big journaling card. And then the glassine bag is decorated with beautiful stickers. The first page has a Santa Claus sticker, and next page I stamped a Christmas sentiment and added a coupon. This is a coffee stained paper and added this little guy, and a craft paper bag. Next page, there's a pocket and a tag, and it says Christmas Magic. I added some flowers and ribbons, and then another pocket and a collage, and these are guest checks and lined paper on the back. I used the Christmas Plaids by Craft Smart paper pad, and it's the same paper pad that I used in the journal that I shared a few days ago. This is another Christmas sentiment, thinking of you at Christmas. This is a postcard, and there's Santa Claus here, and it says Season's Greetings. Stamped another Christmas ornament, some pockets, a star charm, and some stenciling, and some tags. There are plenty of tags, postcards, inserts, and stenciling in this journal, similar to the Christmas journal that I shared a few days ago. And oh, this tag, I have to fix the cording. So if you haven't seen the first Christmas journal, I will put the link on the description below. I will do a quick flip through, so relax and enjoy the music. This is a bookmark. I stitched around it, and this is a ledger paper on the back. This is long enough so you know where you stopped writing. I included a vintage flashcard on the vision. These are the last 2 tags, thinking of you at Christmas and wishing you ridiculous amounts of happiness. And so this is the end of the signature. I left the inside back cover plain, and so this is the journal. It can still take more embellishments. It has 138 pages, and it was so much fun finishing this journal. It will be listed in my Etsy shop, Neldascrafts, and it makes an awesome gift. It's soft, but really sturdy and secure, and it has beautiful ribbons. If you like this project, please hit like, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. I hope you do, and I appreciate that very much. So this is the Merry Christmas journal. Again, thanks so much for watching, and God bless you. Bye now.